Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to record Valorant gameplay for free. We'll be using OBS to record our Valorant gameplay. Click on OBS. In the screens section, right click add, click OK. Now in the sources tab, add a new source and click on display capture. Now click on OK again. Capture method can be automatic and display should be your primary monitor. Now click OK. Now click on start recording and open your Valorant. Now the Valorant gameplay is being recorded. After you're done recording your gameplay, just go to OBS again and click on stop recording. Now if we go to the section where the recording is kept, we can see the gameplay has been recorded properly. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.